Hi guys, welcome to Money Talks UAE. This channel is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow money in the UAE. So make sure to subscribe if you are interested in that. Today's video is gonna be a Sarwa review again. It's gonna be a weekly update for you guys. So you will see like what's going on in my account. Am I losing money? I am making money. So if you are interested in that, make sure to follow this video until the end. If you don't know anything about Sarwa, guys, I highly recommend you to go to the playlist and check my Sarwa progress playlist. This one, I'm showing you all the videos about Sarwa, and since I start investing with them in December 2020, so make sure to follow that one and see how's my account balance is doing. This video that I'm recording right now is going to be part of that. Make sure to use this Sarwa progress to see exactly how's my account is doing. So now let's go and see the Sarwa account that I'm having right now, and you can see my balance is now up to 1st of February. I am on $10,382. So this is my balance since I start putting money in 2020, like in December 2020. I've been putting some money like most of the time. I try to put some money like every month just to uh, see like what's going on with the stock market. And as you can see, my returns is really low right now. It's 2.8%, and my earning is like $280. So this is not as good as it's expected to be, because it's more than a year and I'm using this portfolio. Is this a bad news? No, actually, this is a good news, because the stock market now it's down, and this is a great opportunity for investors, especially the new guys who are just trying to start investing. This is like exactly the moment where you have to start putting money into the stock market, because when I just start using Sarwa, the market was already on the top and everything was expensive, and I was like buying stuff in an expensive period of time. So that's why the stock market gave me some return, and now since it's correcting, and of course I'm gonna see my earnings are going down, and maybe if the stock market keeps going down for a while, maybe I will be actually losing money in this period of time. I'm like more likely I'm gonna see these earnings going to the negative side, and that is pretty normal, guys. It's not something that's gonna scare me or that's gonna make me withdraw my money. So I don't mind even if I see like half of my portfolio balance is gone, and I don't mind that. It's still, I have a goal, which is trading for the long term. So I am investing my money for the long term, and the more the stock market is going down, the more that I am going to buy and put some money into this platform. So as long as I have cash, I don't mind seeing these corrections, because the stock market is always, guys, always going in the upward direction. Whether it goes down because of a crash, like stock market crash, or because of what happened last time, like with the coronavirus pandemic. So the stock market is always going down, and eventually, like the result, it's gonna go up. So this is pretty normal. So whenever I see the prices going down like that, of course I'm gonna put some money on it. So these are my assets. As you can see, like the biggest loser for my portfolio is Bitcoin. So as you know, cryptocurrency nowadays, it's really suffering and it's going down like crazy. Bitcoin has a big future, but still it's not like sure like the stock market. So Bitcoin, I can see that it has a lot of risk, and that's why actually Sarwa, they're only putting 5% of my assets into Bitcoin, because if it was more than that, for sure you will see my portfolio balance is really low, and I would be losing a lot of money. That's it, guys, about my assets. The biggest winner, of course, is US real estate. Real estate, as you can see, guys, even in the UAE, you see like rent is getting expensive nowadays. The prices is going higher. If you want to buy a house right now, it's starting to get a bit expensive. Same thing is in the US, and not only in the US, like the whole world now is getting expensive. So past performance last week, or let's say this week now, slow, like we have a little bit of downwards, and now we are going again into the correct direction. I'm not sure if we're gonna go this direction for long, but you can see this is the lowest uh, that we reach in this week, which is like less than $10,000. And I was like really shocked when I see this number. I never thought that I'm gonna see this number again, but now we are having it. So last month, this is exactly what was happening. Like we were in the 9,000 area, and then when I saw the stock market is going down, so I put some money. It's like $1,000 investment right here, and you can see that it went up a little bit, and then it starts crashing. So it's like almost I lost most of that $1,000. But let's say that I didn't lose any money, because up to now my money is still the same. I didn't withdraw any money. So the moment when you start withdrawing money, that means you're selling your assets, and that means you're selling into these prices, which makes you now losing money. So up to now, my money is like still on the market. So the moment that I will buy or sell, that's exactly the amount of money that you're gonna take from the stock market, or the amount of money that you're going to invest. So as long as you're not losing any money, this is pretty normal. So but if you really want money, if you want to withdraw money, and you feel scared that the stock market is going to crash or something, and you start to be impatient about it, that's the moment when you're going to withdraw money in these prices, and of course that means you are losing money at that time. So that's it, guys. Last year, I'm gonna show you like this is what happens exactly when I just started using Sarwa. So they were gonna show you from the last year. It's like February. I started in December 2020, but now this is 1 year graph, so it's gonna show you in February. You can see like the trend is going up in a very nice direction. We always have these kind of like corrections here, and still we're going into the up direction. Most of the time when you see these big pushes, that means it's a deposit, like I made a deposit, and that's why it goes up like this. But still, the stock market will go up even if I didn't deposit any money. Still, the stock market is going up. So I'm gonna show you just a quick view of the assets that I am actually investing in, including the ones that I am using for Sarwa. And you can see these first two, they are in the green zone now, and Bitcoin is not. This is the GBTC. This is a Bitcoin trust fund that you are seeing. This one is actually tracking Bitcoin, and if you notice, this is the graph of Bitcoin as well. So I'm gonna go down and show you Bitcoin. So it's the same graph, it's just the difference is in the price. So this one is in 37,000, and this one it's only $25. So this is a big difference, but you can see the trend is almost identical. It's the same one. So what's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies, guys, it's always like this. It's a very volatile market, and it goes up and down like crazy. So now it's going in a downward direction. We don't know if it's going to break this support level. So this is a very strong support level. It's like whenever the price came into this area, it's like it happens here and it took off, and then it happens here, took off, happened here, took off. So maybe Bitcoin it's going to take off soon. So I'm not sure about it, and nobody's sure about Bitcoin or the stock market or the future in general. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. We just giving predictions, and I am also not a financial advisor. I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell Bitcoin. This is completely your choice, and you have the freedom to do whatever you want with your money. But I'm just giving you my point of view. This is what I am seeing. It's like probably Bitcoin is going to come to this area. It's going to go down a little bit more, and if it breaks down, maybe we're gonna see like more downward movement. But if it's actually retracting and it starts to go up, that means this support is really strong, and Bitcoin might go even higher. So that's it, guys, about all of this. So you can see the stock market is some green, some red, so that means the stock market is still like not any perfect direction. Not all of it is going into the upward direction, so we still have some hesitations and stuff like that. So that means like we still gonna see like my Sarwa account still gonna be jumping a little bit higher and also going down a little bit. So until then, guys, I will make sure to show you another review, another updates next week. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully you will be satisfied and you will know exactly how Sarwa is working. So this video is gonna be included in the Sarwa progress, so make sure to see that as well. And make sure to go ahead and use the link that I always provide in the comment section below, so you can start using Sarwa and of course get the free $50 welcome bonus. This is of course if you don't know anything about Sarwa and you just want to start investing. So make sure to use this link. And until then, guys, thank you so much for your watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for your questions as well. I hope to give you all the answers, because a lot of questions I'm receiving nowadays, and some of the questions of course they are repeating, so I'm trying to answer you during the video. And some questions of course are interested, and I actually like to see these kind of questions because they give me like video ideas, so I can make videos for you, so you will know exactly everything that I am talking about, and I explain it to you as simple as possible in the video. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Have a lovely day and see you soon.